That's what we doing. Excuse yourself.
Endless grind. Endless grind. Comment, like, subscribe.
We're headed out to Walmart. We gotta get some air. Canned air and some sealant so that we can once again repair the air conditioning in the van, because apparently we have a leak somewhere. So yeah, just keep my fingers crossed that they got some sealant. Well guys, yet again, dumbass forgets to show you how to recharge the air conditioning in your vehicle. But the air conditioning has been recharged in our vehicle. We're headed home. I'm sorry I didn't show you in Walmart. I'm sorry I didn't show you in the other parts place I had to go to, because Walmart didn't have the shit that we needed. But, yeah. I'll try and make it more exciting tomorrow, because tonight I'm actually going to charge my camera. So, yeah. What do we have going on tomorrow?
Not too much. I was just BBM and Taylor.
Sweet. Alright. We'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully something exciting happens. And if not, we'll see you tomorrow anyway!
Well, Friday and Saturday is going to be exciting.
Yeah, but that's a secret.